Alright guys, so finally got my turbo in. Took like 2 weeks, wasn't that bad. But I'm gonna open it up because I am excited. And figured might as well make a video for it. Because there's actually not a lot of videos out there. Fruit snack, cool. Don't know why. There you go. You guys can get a coupon if you guys ever order from this place. Oh, what's this? Probably gaskets. Sweet. Sweet. All gaskets. Alright, but the most important part. Oh, yeah. Very new turbo. Not remanufactured, all that stuff. Brand new. Whew. Spin. Whew. That is sexy. Damn. Alright guys, so yeah, stay tuned for more videos because there's gonna be a lot of videos of this going in. Thanks for watching, guys. Alright guys, so I was able to find this manifold and downpipe, well, everything here, locally. So I got pretty lucky. I tried to get a crack in manifold and downpipe, but I ordered it like 2 weeks ago, and he was telling me it's gonna be ready yesterday, and it wasn't ready yesterday. And so I was just like, you know what, man, like just send me my refund. I'd rather, you know, just get, because I'm moving, so I got to get something fast, and not fast, but I need to get something before the end of the month. So I was able to find this locally, and thank God. But yeah, so I'll explain everything here. This is a Hellafab's 1.6 tubular manifold. It's all stainless. It's pretty thick. It's solid. It's got the exhaust wastegate. This is a tail, whatever. The one that came with everything else. I didn't care for the wastegate. I just mainly cared about the manifold. Not even really the downpipe. I just needed a manifold. And so I didn't really care about this, but you know, I was kind of hoping it wasn't a knockoff, but it is a knockoff, so I'm gonna have to buy an external wastegate. So that's not that big of a deal. I don't really care that much, but I have Inconel studs that I gotta get, and I gotta sit here and cut this downpipe. I'm probably gonna take it to a shop because there's I don't know if you guys can see it, but down in here there's a slight leak. I know it's not supposed to leak through there, but the problem that I'm having is I have to cut this in half now and take it out completely because my turbo's hot side, it doesn't match up with that right now. So yeah, I'm gonna have to figure that out. But so it's, the guy said 2.5 inches to 3, but it doesn't really look like 2.5, so I don't know. But yeah, it's got the bung welded in. It's all stainless, and then here's my my screamer pipe. I haven't lined anything up yet, so I'm not really sure how that's supposed to sit. But he told me it's supposed to sit something like this, roughly. The downpipe coming out. But yeah, so we'll see how that all lines up. I'll have to get that fixed before I can do anything with it. I had to get a V-band and probably some piping added to the downpipe anyways to connect it back to my exhaust. But yeah, so the only thing I gotta get now is a new wastegate. I'm waiting on the studs and the bolts too. I have turbo locking bolts, stage 8 coming. But Amazon's holding my package because of all this Corona bullshit going on. But yeah, so GT2560R, Hellafab, 1.6 tubular manifold, exhaust wastegate, or external wastegate, and stainless steel downpipe. Gonna say 2 to 3.5 inches. But yeah, so this will definitely avoid any boost creep that's about to come with the GT2560. So that was gonna eliminate some of that worries that I was having. But yeah, so here goes to 250 horsepower.